So here we are the other side, and there's a digger right down here, sort of attacking the stuff from this side. And then the one up the top that's filling up the lorry. That will, or the whatever truck, that will take it over to the other end where the train will arrive shortly, or sometime, or something. I hope it does begin to show how deep this cutting is at this end. It's very deep. It's much deeper. I don't know what it is. No goodness. But it's quite a lot. That suit was telling the driver, your lorry's full, clear off, empty out. Give any scale to it, length of that, I don't know what its reach is. Go right the way down to that one. That's not on the ground, by the way, that's probably 6 feet off the ground, that one. 6 feet off the base. It's going to be a very, very steep cutting, I will say that. If you look at the V, just about see it there. It's going to be very steep sides. So there's this lorry coming up here now, another one coming back. Going a lot faster today, it's not so misty. The old and the new, there's a plane just taking off above us there, landing. Doesn't help those trucks that are filling up there. Have to reverse at both ends. So they have a turn at each end of their trip. Their 300 or 400 yard trip. See, that's I think that one's actually trying to get out. I think he's trying to get himself through, and he's having great difficulty getting out. It's so wet. Sorry, can't see my viewfinder. No, he's having another go. Is he going to get up the hill? Is he going to make it? Obviously. Come on, hook in further up. That's it. Pull yourself up. Go on, you'll make it. This light end, of course, is better because there's better light. The light comes from behind you. Diggers are pretty amazing, you know. I mean, they go up slopes I couldn't get up. Go down. I don't know what you can see of this, I'll have a look when I play it back, but there's a bit of ground. There's the wall. There's the work. And there's got to be another 200 yards of this. This is Thursday, by the way, so there have been 3 trains. There are 12 more due.